The exosphere is the outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere and forms the boundary between the atmosphere and outer space. It is called exo, meaning outside, because it is the last layer before space begins. In this region, the atmosphere becomes extremely thin and gradually merges into space. Exosphere location and extent. The exosphere lies above the thermosphere. It begins at the exobase, which is located roughly between 2,030,000 feet to 3,028,000 feet, about 700 to 1000 kilometers above the Earth's surface. It extends up to around 10,000 kilometers, about 6,200 miles, gradually merging into outer space. It also interacts with the magnetosphere, linking Earth's atmosphere with space environmental processes. Composition of exosphere. The exosphere is mainly composed of very light gases such as hydrogen and helium, which dominate due to their ability to rise to higher altitudes near the lower boundary called the exobase. Small traces of heavier gases like oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide may also be present. However, the overall density of gases is extremely low and the particles are widely spaced with vast empty spaces between them. Due to this sparse distribution, the gases rarely collide with each other, giving the exosphere a near vacuum-like conditions. Key characteristics of exosphere. The exosphere is characterized by extremely low density and unique physical conditions which distinguish it from all other layers of the atmosphere. Extremely low density. The exosphere has very few gas particles, making it almost like a vacuum. The density is so low that it cannot support life and there is no breathable air. Free movement of particles. Particles are so far apart that they can travel hundreds of kilometers without colliding. Because of this, the exosphere does not behave like a typical gas layer. Atmospheric escape. Due to the weak gravitational pull at such high altitudes, light gases like hydrogen and helium move at high speeds and can escape into outer space. This process is important for understanding the evolution of Earth's atmosphere. Absence of weather phenomena. There are no clouds, winds, or weather activity in this layer because of its extremely low density and lack of air. Regions of satellites. Most artificial satellites orbit the Earth in this layer. The lack of friction, air resistance allows satellites to move smoothly and maintain stable orbits. Exosphere significance. The exosphere holds significant scientific importance as it plays a crucial role in understanding the interaction between Earth's atmosphere and outer space. The exosphere helps in understanding atmospheric escape process, which are crucial for studying the evolution of planetary atmosphere. It acts as a transition zone between Earth's atmosphere and outer space, making it important for space missions and satellite operations. Interaction with the magnetosphere influences space weather phenomena and radiation dynamics.